Have you ever visited a bakery?
Yes, and I think I have tried every baked goods at the bakery I buy from.
Yes, I have. My family and I always go to a bakery near our place to purchase baked goods that we love.
Number 2. Which products are made at the bakery?
When I go to bakeries, I always see baked goods and pastries such as panitas, ensaimadas, and many more.
There are bread, pastry, and other sweet and dough buns.
Number 3. What kind of bread do you prefer?
I prefer breads that have sweet flavors or sweet fillings in them.
I love to eat bread and pastries, but I tend to enjoy sweeter products more. Number 4. Who works at the bakery?
Bakers and patissiers work at the bakery.
They are the main sources of bread and pastries whenever we don't feel like baking at home.
Which ingredients do bakers use?
The basic ingredients that I know the bakers use are the flours, liquids, shortenings, sugar, eggs, leavening agents, and many more.
These are ingredients that help create flavorful baked goods.